Hi friends, welcome to Pick and Picks. And also check out the sleek and stunning off-world magnetic spice rack lineup, where functional style meets exceptional organization right on your refrigerator door. Experience the power of our super magnetic force, holding up to an impressive 11 pounds while keeping your spices right at your fingertips. Transform chaos into elegance as you say goodbye to clutter. Just look at this before and after magic of the kitchen counter. Wave goodbye to disarray in the laundry room with our magnetic shelves creating order and efficiency that you never knew existed. Do you want to get this product? Then check my channel bio.